Activated charcoal is used in modern medicine by doctors to treat cases of poisoning. It is used in water filtration systems to reduce the content of heavy metals and fluoride in water. It is also used by the healthcare industry as a facial cleanser, skin detoxifier, for acne treatment, and also in face creams. Recently, it has gained a lot of traction in dentistry. It's being used in toothbrushes, toothpaste, and tooth powders. On Instagram, I asked my followers if they've ever used a charcoal toothbrush, and to my surprise, 39% said yes, which was very interesting to me. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Arib Deshmukh, and in this video, we're gonna talk about charcoal toothbrushes and if they're worth it. How are charcoal toothbrushes produced? How do you manage to put charcoal in the bristles of the toothbrush? Technically, it's not charcoal, it's activated charcoal. Charcoal is a fine-grained powder which is formed by oxidizing coal, olive pits, coconut shells, and other materials. The fine powder is then activated by heating it up to a certain temperature, which makes it more porous and increases the surface area. What you finally get is activated charcoal, and that activated charcoal is then infused in the bristles of the toothbrush. So when you buy a charcoal toothbrush, you get this simple box with the toothbrush in it. Here we are unboxing a charcoal toothbrush with a plastic handle. You also get such toothbrush with a bamboo handle too. So how does it work? Carbon present in activated charcoal looks to absorb or bond to bacteria, stains, and calculus. At the microscopic level, the surface of activated charcoal is highly porous, so it acts like a sponge and absorbs all the harmful substances. Let's move on to the advantages. Number 1, whitens your teeth, as activated charcoal absorbs tannins which are responsible for staining your teeth. Number 2, reduces plaque, as activated charcoal absorbs those bacteria. Number 3, reduces bad breath in your mouth, as activated charcoal removes those bacteria responsible for it. Now let's see the disadvantages. Number 1 being it is abrasive. Using a charcoal toothbrush over a long period can erode your enamel, and that can lead to sensitivity and discoloration of your teeth. Number 2, long-term benefits are still not known. Most dentists and dental hygienists will still recommend you a tried and tested toothbrush over a charcoal one, simply because there is very little clinical evidence to prove the benefits of a charcoal one over a regular one, as the manufacturers claim. Number 3 is its accessibility. It is still not readily available everywhere, though the situation has improved now in the market. So what's my take on it? I have been using this charcoal toothbrush over my Sonic one for the last 20 days, and I noticed a few things. The toothbrush does clean very nicely. The bristles are quite soft. I'm just worried about the long-term usage and its implication on my teeth, and for that reason alone, I'm shifting back to my Sonic toothbrush. Lack of clinical proof does not mean the claims are false, but it does mean that they are not proven yet.